back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press the notification button. Today we are going to do fruit cake. We have fruit, we have water, we have flour, we have sugar, we have eggs, we have butter. Some children doesn't like to eat fruit like this. So what I normally do, people do it in a different way. What I normally do, I will cut it, blend it, add the flour, the sugar, and the butter, and everything on that inside it to make it like a form of cake for them to eat. Okay, we are going to start cutting the fruit now. Let's start with the banana first. Just cut it any way you want to cut it. You have to put it inside the blender and let's go and blend it. Hope everything will go inside. Yes. Then we just add a little bit of water to make it soft. That's it. We finished blending the fruit now. This is it. So okay, you see, this is how it looks like. So we have to add a little bit of sugar, just a little bit, maybe a teaspoon of sugar. Then we add a little bit of flour to it. And some butter. The eggs. See, everything is smooth now. There's no lump, nothing on it. All we need to do is to start baking. Okay, it's ready to put in the oven now. You see, this is what we got from the fruit. You see, if your children doesn't want to eat the fruit like that, just make it into the cake. They will love it. Look at it. Nice and beautiful. Thank you for watching the video, guys.